On today's menu, a dish I make perhaps a little too often. This one ingredient I always have on hand. Lei Homa, I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. I always end up with a bunch of random veggies, odds and ends in the fridge that just needs to be used up. But there's one ingredient that I always keep in my fridge that brings all these veggies together. Right, so have some red onion, have some baby corn. Of course, when you open a can, it just gives you so many. Have some firm tofu, which we can crumble, and just some random bell pepper, green pepper, yellow. Have a bit of a carrot, some green onion, and randomly enough, some extra Thai basil, which is a little bit weird in this, but it's going to be absolutely delicious. 1 carrot, diced. Quarter of a green bell pepper, diced. Quarter of a yellow bell pepper, diced. Half a red onion, diced. Two sticks green onion, chopped. About 2 grams of Thai basil. Chop half a cup of baby corn. Crumble about half a cup of firm tofu. Now this is a delicious ruby red, incredibly smoky and aromatic chili oil, and this is really easy to make at home. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out and make this really easily. You definitely won't regret it. I always have some sort of cooked leftover white rice in the fridge, and this is jasmine rice, but it really doesn't matter. It could be basmati, sushi rice, does not matter at all. And this is my definite go-to to bring together all these different odds and ends and leftover veggies. Non-stick pan, medium heat, 3 tablespoons chili oil. Red and green onions. Add in and saute the tofu for about a minute. Carrots and bell pepper. Saute for a couple of minutes. Baby corn. 1.5 cups leftover rice. 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the heat and add the Thai basil. Give the pan a stir and you're done. plate. You can now enjoy your leftover veggies with absolute confidence. Fried rice is definitely one of my absolute all-time favorites. There's just a million different combinations. Amazing. Smells incredible. Man, that is so packed with flavor. You have that delicious smokiness from the chili oil and a little bit of spiciness from it, but really it's just super delicious and super smoky, and that really complements the aromatic deliciousness of the Thai basil. And of course you have the really nice kind of crunchiness from the carrots, the baby corn, the green bell pepper, and you have that bit of a meatiness from the tofu. The soy sauce just gives it this kind of saltiness as well as this beautiful kind of golden color. Just really, really delicious. You get a little bit of that sweetness from the yellow bell pepper, which is really untraditional, but the thing I love about keeping leftover pre-cooked white rice in the fridge is that you can literally just throw this together in less than 10 minutes all together with chopping veggies and whatever else you have on hand. And it also gives you that opportunity to finish just odds and ends you have in the fridge. Really amazing. Absolutely love it. Definitely one of my go-tos every week. I cannot wait to eat this entire plate. Absolutely amazing. By the way, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Be sure to pick up your free ebook that I put together just for you that has 5 super easy, unintimidating, plant-based recipes to help you get started with cooking today. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check that out. Plus, in that same link, you can also watch the entire first class of the new plant-based sushi making masterclass. And that is a 5-class series designed and curated to help you make delicious and stunning sushi right at home. That is a class I always say that you'll really eat up. Of course, as always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.